Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create TextNow account, and also TextNow account. First of all, we all know we need a VPN. So I'm just going to connect to my VPN now. To this alright, so you can easily connect to United States or Canada, anyone. Talkatone is available in both United States and Canada. So now we are connected to Illinois now. So I already have my test now pre-installed. So I'll just tap on it to open. And this I just started with. So here I'm just going to do it. I think I used all this. Alright, so here you tap on don't use location, and we go with any location right here. Continue. Alright, so they say this is not available, so they give us another area code. So we're just going to continue using it later. And here is subscribe. No, we are not subscribing. We cancel. No, but if you want to subscribe, it's actually good. It will keep your accounts more last longer. And here we can tap on set up accounts. Here allow everything. And here you have already created our TextNow account as easy as this. So here if you tap on it here, I can actually use that message now. Let's see. 450, yeah. So, and also this is not all after you create your account. Once you create your account, you come to here, your menu. Once you come to the menu, you tap on setting. You after you tap on the settings, you tap on settings and you come to account. Sorry, account right here. So you tap on it, and I think the message has come here. Yeah, the rest bit. So here you fill on your age, your gender. You can see it, your age, your gender, your zip code. You put everything, but I'm not going to do that now. And you can see why do you use this now. You can see your email. You can see your everything account. So now let's go back. Let's go back. So this is all about, and also you can use here as well to earn tokens, which you can use to remove ads and all everything. So this one is actually good and friendly to use. So now let's head over to our Talkatone. I believe this was the button I sent message to. Alright, so you can see the message right here, and you can see numbers. If you say hello back, so let's log out of this, and also you can see the message that's already arrived. You can see the message here. So that's how easy it is to create TextNow account. Also, there is one thing I want you guys to know. And for some of you guys saying you cannot log in your, this is just a bonus for you that were able to watch the video to the end. I can mention this. So this is a bonus for you. This is how to currently log in your test now once Talkatone once they log you out. For example, now you can see this account. I have been logged out. You can see. So I type on sign up. Once I type on sign up, you can see I did not tap on anything. It will just automatically log you in. That's the format to use. So this is just a bonus for you guys that watch the video to the end and enjoy. Like also, I've already created a community where you can easily reach out to me. Always the link to the WhatsApp community is in the description always. So you can check any of my video description and you will find my WhatsApp group there. So you can join and easily get access to me fast and easier. So that's it about that. Yeah. So let's say goodbye.